Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Life with the Rebel. So today guys, I'm just gonna take this bike out, cruise around, goof off a little bit, and just go have some fun and talk about the stuff I like to do on this bike to have fun and how to get more fun out of your little Rebel 300. So let's go play around, guys. But real quick guys, I want to do a shout out because I keep forgetting. I want to give a shout out to John Monoham because he just picked up a Honda Rebel 300 probably about 3 or 4 weeks ago. Here's a picture. What do you guys think? It looks cool, yeah? I'm really loving the color. That's a nice color there. I like that bag too. And the only reason I know about it is because he left a post on my channel, which I didn't even know you could do. But yeah, guys, if you could figure out how to leave a post, and if you want to, share a picture of your bike and maybe some quick info about it, it doesn't matter what kind of bike it is, just the bike that you love. And I'll do a shout out in a upcoming video. You do need to be a subscriber for at least a day, but if you can figure out a post, go ahead and post a picture of your bike. Like I said, I'll do a shout out on it. That's a crazy dude over there. Crazy dude. But real quick guys, I do want to mention about the speed. I know speed could be fun, right? Going fast on your bike and stuff. And yeah, I know this bike's not the fastest bike in the world. It was apparent to me the first time I took it on the road and got up to speeds over 40 miles an hour. I was like, yeah, this bike's not that fast. But at the same time, I was still new, still learning to shift, trying to get that down so it's nice and smooth, and so I could shift quickly. But really all I gotta say about that, guys, is that once you get used to the bike, you practice for a bit, you become quicker, smoother with the shifting. The bike will get quicker and smoother. So yeah, the bike, basically guys, the bike feels a lot faster. Well, not a lot faster, but it definitely feels faster than what it did in the beginning, and that's only because I could crank through the gears a lot quicker. So keep that in mind. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna head over here. It's kind of near the mall, kind of my comfort zone where I like to take the bike on the weekends, because look at it, ain't nobody around. But yeah, one thing that's fun about this bike is that it's kind of torquey, like that. I like it. I mean, going this parking lot here. Look at this little parking lot. That's what makes this bike fun. It's easy to small, lightweight, easy to maneuver. Yeah, see, just get on that throttle. Oh man, that one just pulled me back. That jerked me back. But that's what I mean, this bike has some torque, guys. I mean, you get on the throttle like I'm in first gear. I mean, it's like almost throwing me off the bike. But I like to use that. Let's go play around some more with this, with all this torque, all this power that I have here. Yeah, but it could be fun, like how I'm doing there. You gotta use it. You gotta use that torquiness, all that torque for fun. And when you shift it, you pull the throttle, you feel it pull back a little bit. Let's go right through here. But yeah, it can be fun when you're just cruising around the neighborhood. You're not going very fast. You're doing like 25. Just rip on the throttle and feel that torque a bit, kind of pull you. Like that. I just go with it too. I lean back with it. Makes it feel like I'm on a bigger bike or something, like I'm on a big old Harley or something. Feel it pull. It does pull, guys. Another thing that I love doing, and I've been doing a lot more of it, and I recommend you guys do it, and that's engine braking. Yeah, I love doing engine braking now that I'm more comfortable with the bike and everything, because it's just more fun. It sounds better too when you're coming up to a stop, you know, instead of all quiet. You know, if you're using your brakes and just kind of coasting. Watch this guy. That's all fine and everything, but when you engine brake like I'm about to do here, just get out fourth. Yeah, you hear that noise? It just sounds better, guys. And plus, I think it could help you stand out. You know, it could help you stand out more when you're coming to an intersection like this, because people can hear you. If you're just coasting right in the brakes, you know, no one's really going to hear you. But when you engine brake, you should stand out a lot more. So let's go do some more here in a minute. I'll show you some examples. Alright, let's go up to the stop here. I'm not going to engine brake. I'm just going to slow down. Using my brake. Pull the clutch in. Click it down second. First gear. Come to a stop. No biggie. Alright. It's all good. Now let's engine brake. Now the engine brake, guys, you're just going to do the same thing as you're shifting. Like when you're shifting up, you're just going to shift down. Each gear at a time. And don't worry too much with this bike, because it has that slipper clutch. So it's not going to lock up the rear wheel if you engine brake too hard, which is cool. And if you want to do rev matching and all that stuff, go ahead, guys, but I don't really, I tried that in the beginning. I don't really notice much difference. So up here, stop, down to second, down to first. Yeah, you hear that noise? Slightly louder, right? And like I said, guys, it's just more fun like that, engine braking. See if this guy weighs or not. Yeah, weighing. So yeah, guys. So yeah, engine brake. Once you get comfortable with the bike, if you're not too, you know, try to learn it as soon as you can. Try to do it as much as you can, because it is more fun. It will make the bike louder, so you will get noticed more, especially when you're coming to a stop. So it is kind of a nice safety feature, and plus it's not going to wear out your brakes and everything as much too. I mean, you should engine brake or just downshift through the gears to help slow yourself down. Yeah, another thing I like to do, guys, is just take this bike places you normally wouldn't go, or you can't go in a car. So what's down here? Like here. Let's go down here. Yeah. Let's check it out, guys. We're doing something different. Take these little alleys. But it's fun. I mean, I want to do this in my car. Right? But on a bike, yeah, why not? That's one of the perks of having a bike. I gotta watch out for over here. Anyone coming? Let's go this way. Yeah, just goofing off, right? Just going out, just playing around like you're a kid. That's what I do. I like to be a kid on this bike. Yeah, look, check this out. Look, this is a parking lot. Look. Let's go in here. Let's see if we can get some noise. How'd that sound, guy? Okay. But yeah, because this bike is small and it's light, it's easy to do stuff like that, and you can do it confidently too. You're not so nervous. You know, you could take this bike on the speed bumps and stuff. Don't worry about speed bumps, guys. This thing will handle speed bumps just fine. You can take it down small little narrow paths, you know. Take it up on curbs and stuff like that. Just goofing off, right? It's fun. That's the nice thing about a small bike like this. And it's just enough fun for around here, guys. Look. Yeah! Yeah! Woo! I'm not going that fast. 35. I'm having fun though. There's another thing too. I just like ripping on the throttle like this, guys. Just yeah. Woohoo! I just came up this road and let's go straight. Yeah, guys, ripping on the throttle, right? This bike, you can do it safely. Don't have to worry about, you know, this right here. This is keep your butt out of trouble power right here, guys. Better take it easy though. Blasting through here. Yeah. Engine brake. Go wide. So what? Yeah, having fun, guys. Having fun. Just goofing off. You know? Not doing anything crazy. Alright? Not doing 180 as if this bike could do that speed, but you know, just chilling, just goofing off, having fun, relieving some stress, getting the most out of the bike, taking advantage of its weight and its size and its speed. Who's this guy? It's a yield sign. So yeah, guys, go have fun with your bike. Find some fun stuff to do with it. Take it different places. Take it off the road. Take it down some small paths. Take it some parking lots. Just goof off. That's all I'm saying. Man, see, my foot just slid right there, guys. See that? See that gravel? Slippery. So watch out. It's happened to me a couple times. And it doesn't take much gravel either, just a little bit. Get very slippery. So, little safety tip right there. That was a freebie. Alright, guys. I think I'm just going to cruise around a bit more. Just really want to talk about today. Nice day today. But, yeah, guys. Appreciate all of you. I really do appreciate watching, liking, subscribing especially. I need some more subscribers. Come on, guys, hook a brother up. Come on, come on, give me some subscribers. Keep me motivated, guys. Keep me motivated. I need motivation too. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, put a picture of your bike so I can do some shout outs, guys. Could be fun. And other than that, stay safe, stay focused, stay motivated, and just get out there riding, guys. It's gonna get cold soon, so don't procrastinate too much. But yeah, guys, I'm just cruising around for a bit, so if you want to hang out, if not, other than that, I will check you guys in the next video. This is Life with Rebel. Out of here, guys.